everyone! In today's video, I will show you how to fix the like problem on Instagram. If you're unable to like posts or your likes aren't showing up, follow these steps. The first thing you should do is check your internet connection. If you're on a Wi-Fi, try switching to mobile data, and if you're using mobile data, try connecting to a stable Wi-Fi network. Poor connections can prevent Instagram from registering your likes. Next, log out and log back in. Sometimes a quick logout and log back in can refresh your account. Go to Settings, scroll down, and tap Logout. After a few seconds, log back in and try liking a post again. The next step is to clear cache or reinstall Instagram. For Android users, go to your phone settings, find apps, tap apps again, Instagram, storage, and select clear cache. iPhone users can uninstall then reinstall the app. This often fixes minor glitches like the like button not working. Next, make sure you're using the latest version of Instagram. Head over to the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Instagram, and check if there is an update available. Outdated versions can sometimes cause issues with the like feature. If the problem persists, report it to Instagram. Go to Settings, scroll down and tap Help, then select Report a Problem. Explain the issue you're experiencing with liking posts, and Instagram will review it. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the like problem on Instagram. If this video is helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye!